Hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, November the 10th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Cijferblok, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes, and this will be number 5461, I believe. Yes, 5461. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 3 O's. So the fourth O should be in one of these 3 boxes. I do not know which box, but those 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Alright. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between those comes an 1. Then, let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O then. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, let me see. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O then. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3 O's we have here. And I know between an O and a 1, and with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3. Comparing. That's the question. 1, 2, 3. Well. Maybe let me check. Okay, we have here 2, 3 rows, completed rows. O double 1 here. Do we have O double 1 here? No. O double 1. 1001. No, it's not the same. How many? We have also 1, 2, 3, 4 completed columns. Double 1 here. Double 1. No. Not the same. Double O here. Not the same. O 1 O. No, 101. No. Here we cannot. We need to 1010. Do we have a 1010 here? Yeah. This row and the last row. 0011 0011 empty box 00 empty box 11. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Okay, and now do we have a double O, double 1 here? Yeah, this is almost the same. This I need to switch these two later. But how about, yeah, this column, the last column again. Sorry, the last row again, and this row. All right. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. All right. I've told you these two. We need to compare again. O O O 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double check 1 1 1 2 3 4. Yes, completed in 6 minutes. Wow. Need to compare, you need to compare. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again later on with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.